I'm here in Guangzhou, China at the Huawei store where they are promoting already the Mate 80 series, but it's not out yet, sadly. But I can check out the Mate 70 Air here, which is incredibly thin, 6.6 millimeters. Look how thin this looks like, very lightweight, solid buttons, look at the tiny buttons. Camera ring, 50 megapixel main, 12 megapixel tele and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle. As operating system we have here HarmonyOS 5.1, not 6 yet, 6 is still in beta, but you can see it is running very fluid and has a gorgeous 7-inch screen, very wide screen as well, so you can fit in lots of content. We have lots of applications installed, even the Android app containers are pre-installed here on the Mate 70 Air. But I'm blown away by how thin and lightweight this looks like. Very nice device. Here you can see the prices. If you calculate it back to European prices, roughly 510, 515 euros. A camera limitation that I noticed on the device is that, of course, because of the ultra-wide angle being 8 megapixel, if you switch to 4K 60, it is not available to be chosen here. All the other ones can be chosen. If you go back to 4K 30, however, you can also record video with the ultra-wide angle. And front-facing video here, you can go 1x and ultra-wide angle. Hope you can hear me. This is a bit of loud music going on. Some nice speaker there in the background. See that? Little test here on the Mate 70 Air ultra-wide angle. 1x, 2x, 3x and 5x. Let's go a bit further. 10x. How good is the noise isolation here? And the stabilization. Let's go back to ultra wide angle.